Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. My name is Zara and today we'll be reviewing an awesome product called Zest. So, what is Zest all about? It is an affiliate marketing app created by an affiliate marketer for the affiliate marketers out there.
Simply put, Zest is a one-click affiliate marketing tool with high-quality features which includes the one-click campaign builder. It has 300 sources of buyers, over 50 done-for-you templates ready to be sent out to your email list, and of course, this product is packed with tutorials and case studies. So, what is in it for you? You can see for the month of Jan 2021 that Zest drove about close to 1,500 affiliate sales for the product launches. This is a totally unique and fresh product which practically sells itself. All you need to do is queue up for the emails and enjoy the commissions. Zest also deploys retargeting, follow-up emails, and other tactics to ensure this is one of your best promos for 2021.
Let me now bring you over to an in-depth demo video which is about 9 minutes long. At the end of the video, we will present to you our vendor bonuses as well as exclusive bonuses from our channel, so stay tuned for that. Welcome back, and we hope you enjoyed this pretty long 9 minutes demo video. Okay, now let me run you through the front end price of Zest as well as the upgrades that are available. More details are in the description box below if you need to refer to later on.
For $17, you will be able to access the powerful Zest software and training modules. Upgrade number 1, the Unlimited Edition at $39, gives you multiple templates, unlimited usage, unlimited traffic and sales, and it also comes with additional tutorials. Upgrade number 2, the Done For You Edition at $197. For this upgrade, basically, you do nothing at all because everything is done for you. Upgrade number 3, the Automated Edition at $39, you will be able to activate all the automation tools in the software. Upgrade number 4, the Done For You Templates Club at $39 gives you 200 customizable video templates that you can use with the software. And last but not least, the 50 times click and go campaigns at $39 will give you 50 proven TikTok campaigns that you can just copy and paste to make sales with TikTok. And now, coming to our exclusive bonuses from our channel, we have bonus number 1, which is a tutorial to learn how to copyright effectively, even if you are not a native speaker, and especially so. Not to worry because copywriting is a skill and you can pick it up, learn the structure, and write professionally. Bonus number 2, how to use Instagram influencers. There are so many influencers out there. Question is, how to pick the right one from the right niche and at the correct price point. How engaging are their followers, and is it suitable for our niche? These are things that you will learn in this tutorial. Third bonus, Bing Ads Hack. Many of our marketer friends have heard of, but have never gone in depth into understanding how Bing Ads work. All I can say is, Bing Ads are underrated and not tapped into. Bing Ads are also lower cost as compared to Google Ads, and it is as effective as Google Ads. Find more information in this tutorial. Last but definitely not the least, bonus number 4, license rights to Aurora. Aurora is a complete system that automates webinars and generates traffic. I will leave you guys to read up on this at your own time. YouTube search keywords Aurora reviews and you will be able to find lots of good reviews about this product. And moving on to vendor bonuses. 12 of them. Wow! These bonuses are worth thousands of dollars and you are getting all of them for free. These will benefit new affiliates and even the old ones in business for a long time. Valuable nuggets of info in there and you don't want to be missing any of this.
We have now come to the end of our review video for Zest, and we hope you enjoyed our review as much as we enjoy reviewing awesome products for you. If you want to purchase a copy of Zest, the link is in the description box below. Thank you once again for joining us, and as usual, subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so, and share this content with your friends if it benefits them. Take care, till our next video, and goodbye.